guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing an upgrade in our laundry room. We have not touched this laundry room since we moved in
5 years ago.
5 years ago. Oh my God, 5 years ago. So it is about time.
One of the only untouched rooms.
We haven't even changed the light bulb. If you look here, it still has that nasty yellow soft white bulb. We never even changed that. But what we're going to do is we're going to do an easy upgrade that you've been wanting to do for a long time.
Yes.
What we're going to do is we're going to do a couple things. We're going to paint the back wall. We're going to use a paint that we already have. We have some paint left over from our kids' rooms that we painted. We're going to remove this wire shelf. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to add a shelf just above the washer and dryers that stick out about 12 inches. We're going to go about 4 or 5 inches above the washer dryer. We're going to purchase 2 cabinets on each side, and then in between the cabinets right here we're going to put 2 more shelves, like one here and maybe like one up here for like decorative purposes or something like that. So we think that'll be really nice, super inexpensive. I don't know, what are you guessing? I'm going to guess like 500 bucks.
I'd say between 3 and 4.
Okay, we're going to run to Home Depot. We did price out the cabinets. So I know the cabinets were like $20 cheaper per cabinet, but we're not quite sure about the brackets and everything else in between. So we're going to do that. We're going to go to Home Depot right now. We're going to go purchase what we need, and we're just going to do this in one day. This is going to be a one-day project. We're going to get it painted. We'll let it dry for like maybe an hour. We're going to hang the 2 cabinets, put the shelves up, and that should be it. Should be a really quick project that anybody can do in one day. That's the goal. We're going to have this done by tonight, 100%. So let's go to Home Depot.
Yep.
Let's do it. Right, here we go. So we are back from Home Depot. You saw the items. We went ahead with a really cool, I think that light colored shelf. We were going to go with the dark brown shelving, but I think with the color of the gray, that lighter shelf will offset. We got white cabinets. We got lighter, like almost like a beachy, like a beechwood, beach sand color shelf. Yeah. And I think that's going to really contrast well with the gray and then the beige accents all around, because the side walls are still beige. Yeah. So what we're going to do now, we'll take the washer dryer out. We're going to go ahead and take off the shelves. We're going to paint everything. Let's do the painting first, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. What we're going to do is let's remove this. We probably need to spackle these holes real quick. We'll do that too, just to make it look complete, you know, and flush. I don't want to have holes showing, so let's go ahead and do that. right, guys, so all the painting is done, all the spackling is done. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but we only taped off from the middle part of the room because we're gonna put cabinets up here. It doesn't matter to have that section over there painted perfectly. You can actually see we didn't even go to the wall completely because the cabinet is gonna go mount to the wall. The other thing was it really didn't matter down here. We got the washing machine is gonna go against here almost to this height, so you don't even see from here down or from almost here up. You're not even gonna see anything. It is gonna be completely covered. What we're gonna do now is let's go ahead and I think we're gonna get these cabinets installed. That's kind of like the first and foremost. Everything is based off where these cabinets are gonna go. So let's go ahead and get these new cabinets put in. All right, so these are the cabinets that we bought. Let's go ahead and take this one out and see what it looks like. We don't even really know what it looks like, to be honest with you. We saw white and that was about it. Ooh, I think this is a shelf, so be careful. That's a shelf right here. Okay, don't want to fall and break your toe. All right, let's lift this up. Go ahead and take it up. All right, the cool thing is these are reversible. So it doesn't really matter which is left and which is right. So the one side we're gonna have open this direction, and then the other side we're gonna have it open up the other way. So yeah, I think that should be it. Pretty cool, nice.
Oh, because it's the same on both sides.
It's the same on both sides. And it's got another shelf over here. And yeah, I think we're gonna be all right. Let's go ahead and get these things installed. 119 bucks, can't beat it. So we went ahead and we got everything in. We got the shelves in. We didn't screw these in yet. We got to put some screws going. So I think what I'm going to do is use the short screws and just get these front screws done. That way it's permanent. These things won't move around. First cut, first time, worked out perfect. I left a little bit on each side because the walls weren't exactly straight. But for the most part, I think we're in good shape. The colors are awesome.
I love them.
Yeah, the colors are really, the black, the tan, the white, everything's like a little bit different, which I think,
I love it.
Yeah, it looks really good. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put these in, we're gonna go ahead and put in the washer dryer, and then we're good to go. All right.
Good to go.
Here we go.
That looks nice. Nice. Looks cool.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that is it. That is the video. We are done with this project. We did this project in less than a day. We started probably about noon. It is, what time is it? 4:30. This project took us about 4.5 hours, and honestly, we probably would have done it a lot faster again if we weren't recording a video. So that just goes to tell you that if you do this project or something like this, you could do it pretty quickly. I think it turned out amazing. Do you love it?
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. We got a little bit of touch up to do. We're gonna touch up that little spot right there, put some decor and whatnot in it, but that's it. Turned out awesome. So much different.
I know.
Opposed to that ugly white wire. Let's show a before snap right here. This is a before picture right here. And now this is what it looks like after. Check it out. How awesome is that? Turned out super, super nice.
I love it.
Total upgrade for less than $400. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. Tell us what you think. Do you like the transformation? Did it turn out good? I'm pretty sure I know what you're gonna say, but let us know in the comments what you think. I think I might even be okay to do laundry now. All right, guys, that is it. That is the video of the day. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, go down below, hit that red button. That way you can subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button, that way you get notified of all of our newest videos. And until the next video, stay awesome, everybody. Stay awesome. We'll see you again. Bye. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Victor.
Heather.
And I'm Heather. You gotta... Okay. You're like that. All right.
Okay.
I'm crying right now. All right, guys. I can't.
Take two.
No. Hey, guys. You said, Heather.
It's Babe, actually.
What?
It's Babe.
Yeah, sorry, babe. And I'm Babe.
We're Babe. Okay. All right. All right.
Hey, does he need to come in?
Kaylee, let him come in. Goopy!
Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I didn't even do that right. You're crying. You're
No, just say like
tearing.
today's video we're doing this laundry room.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
Victor, and this is Heather.
Okay.
Hey, can I go into my room real quick?
Yeah, you don't want to be in it?
I'm good.
Go put that be in the YouTube video.